This is one of the temples in Nara, so we just passed through the deer area about 2 seconds ago. It's not too bad today, overcast, a little bit of rain earlier. Really nice temples, nice and big. Like, look at that. That's just absolutely awesome. So we'll just go around a little bit. There's a parking lot, and there you can see people way down there. They're down there playing with the deer. But anyway, we'll go for a little bit more of a walk, then I'll take some more video. We're still walking up the hill. Been walking for about 45 minutes to an hour now. And as you can see, there are deer everywhere, around every corner. There must be about 1 million of them. You know, sometimes they chase people, but you know, they wouldn't chase people if people wouldn't feed them. So as you can see, feeding them, and that's why they chase people. Anyway, I'm gonna keep walking up this hill here, and we'll see what happens when we get to the top. Walking for about maybe 2 hours now. The insects are back. For a little while they were gone, and then they came back when I got further up the hill. It's really nice here. Some really nice shrines up here. Japan's a really nice place if you want to relax. Anyway, we're going to be going back that way. So this is basically the top of the hill. There's another big temple over there. Cools down when you're up on the mountain a little bit, which is kind of good, but not so much wind, so you can't really cool down. But it's cool there, I guess, because it's all shady. There's an old traditional bell they used to ring for some ceremony. This is a nice little house here. So I get back to my home, I will do more Crazy Talk animator stuff. But right now I'm here for 2 weeks. So I'll take a lot of video until this memory card fills up, and that'll be basically it. So I don't really take a lot of video. Very beautiful. Spent a lot of time here. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next clip that I make.